Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to thank Trisha and Alex and both sides of the family for inviting all of us here to celebrate this moment.
I know Trisha and Alex won't forgive me if I won't give a shout out to Riley and Rocky. I just fed them a pancake before we went here, so they're good.
For those who don't know, I'm the bride's best friend. In fact, our coworkers used to think that we were dating, but little do they know, it's impossible because Trisha was taken and I'm gay.
Give me some more.
I would imagine you can hardly believe you're here. This is actually happening after how long have you been planning this? 8 months?
10 months? 10 years?
Ate, I've always looked up to you growing up. You were just so confident. And I also remember the first time Alex was mentioned in conversation. Ate Trisha called me. I picked up the phone and the first thing she says to me is, "There's a really cute guy at work."
He says, Mom, you're not going to believe this. And she knows what I'm talking about. He says, I met Trish. She goes, and I liked her. As soon as I saw her, she made googly eyes at me. He goes, and that's all I needed. He goes, I was gone. That's all I needed for her to do googly eyes at me.
We make sense.
Hi babe, are you ready for today? Hope you had some good rest last night. So excited and can't wait to walk down the aisle and see your face. Love
Ever
you.
since the day we met, we've been a perfect fit.
Good morning, my love. Today is the day. I know we've been waiting forever
We're a
for.
perfect fit.
You're obviously my better half.
Your lips on
But you
my
have also become part of my soul. Our future starts right now as husband and wife. Can't wait to see you.
You belong with me.
And it's just crazy how you can go from talking about the cute guy at work to spending every day making countless memories with each other and going on adventures.
Belong with me and I belong with you.
My love, it feels just like yesterday that I was walking into work and meeting you for the first time as my new coworker, this tiny, bubbly, and energetic girl. Oh my God, you look so pretty, you look so beautiful, you look perfect, you are perfect. Oh my gosh, Spin. I didn't care if my love for you was obvious or what our coworkers would think, as you were the only thing that mattered to me.
Looks good. Looks good.
I'm so glad that I knew this back then and that I continued pursuing you, even though you first turned me down. We're here now, 9 years later, and I still feel exactly the same as I did back then.
You first asked me to go to a movie with you, and I remember immediately saying no, coming up with an excuse and telling you I needed to study for an exam. That no didn't push you away. Instead, you became so persistent and patient with me. Because of that persistence, I eventually said yes to going on a date with you, and 10 years later, here we are about to say I do.
Belong with me and I belong with you.
Trisha would talk about Alex at first. She would be like, there's this guy at work that likes me. She would start coming home with goodies every night. Starbucks, candy, chocolate. And I remember she came home one time with this heart-shaped pie. I was like, oh my God, you need to marry this guy.
You know, everyone says happy wife, happy life, but remember too, happy spouse, peaceful house.
So we invite the ring bearer to trot up.
I think it's one of a kind, rare and precious love that you both share. I'm so happy and excited for you both in this next chapter of your life. And now, let's raise your glass. Here's to happily ever after. Cheers!
Being married is just not a vow. There will be ups, there will be down, but at the end of the day, your love for each other will conquer everything.